Triangular Arbitrage on kucoin. In this video I'm going to show you how to do this and the coin you can use to do this on kucoin. You need to search this GFT coin and you have this option to choose USDT pair or BTC pair. You'll be choosing this USDT pair and you come to this buy option. So this is what you'll be doing. You want to buy right here. You want to buy 1,000 worth of this token. At this price you will be paying 20.17 dollar in dollar value. That's how much you will be paying. And if you want to buy this immediately, you have to press an order to buy at this 22. So you will be paying $20.26. That's how much you'll be buying this 1,000 worth of this coin. Remember, you will buy this immediately. So once you buy this immediately, you come over here, GFT, come to this BTC pair, and immediately you come to this sell option. 1,000 worth of this. Remember this, you bought at $20.26. You will now come over here. You see people are willing to sell their token at this price right here. So you come over here and just choose this option to sell your token. If you think that price is unreasonable, you can just choose this the third option right here, and right here you'll be making at least $8 using this strategy. Remember, you have to wait. You see this price is changing right here. That's how this price will be changing. You just need to monitor this. If you think this price you set is unreasonable, just come over here again to change. Once I change this to this price again, I will only make $3 in this trade. And if you see this price is quickly changing, meaning that this price might go up. So you just have to put this price where you think this price might go, because right here people are making buy order and sell order. Remember, if people are not making money right here, you won't find anybody making buy order and sell order. Take that in mind. Anywhere you see people who are making buy and selling order, they are making money. And note, investing in crypto is kind of risk asset, and take this video as educational purpose. Don't take this as financial advice. In this trade you'll be making at least $8 if you pay transaction fee, everything go and forth. You'll be making $8 with $20. So this takes a little bit strategy for you to think through before you take any step in this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell if you get value in this video. And remember again to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I just found this on kucoin to just share with you guys and make your own additional research. If hopefully you can make money with this or not, don't just take this as a financial advice.